Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 without the password. Alright, in the beginning I would say that only try to unlock your phone and no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. So now the device is locked, we cannot remember the password to our device, and now what to do? We can use recovery mode to turn off the lock screen, but we need to remember that you will lose all of your data. Basically we need to erase everything. So to do it, to launch the recovery mode, first let's power off our device. Let's hold power button to launch the power menu. Click on power off, tap once again. Now we need to wait a few seconds. And now to launch the recovery mode we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, and we need to hold them for around, I don't know, 10 seconds, something like that, until the recovery mode appears. So we need to hold, keep holding, okay, now we can release our fingers. Now to move around this menu we can use the volume keys and the power button to confirm the selected option, but we can always use also our fingers. So we need to click on clear data. Now click on factory reset. We need to type the word yes using our keyboard. Now click on factory reset. Now we need to simply wait a few seconds. Just like that. Now click on back. Now tap on the restart. And now within the seconds our device will be automatically turned on. And the next thing we need to do is to simply set up our device. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.